This recipe is gonna be really good. Let's check it out.
And wash it down. Girl, I want to see Luis Miguel to this.
I would.
This is so good, I want to cry. Let me clean myself.
You can tell this is someone that enjoys food, cooking, and eating.
Fuck. Don't be shy when you're eating this. Just go to town.
No, you're not being shy.
What, because I look like Rosa Salvaje? Alright, one more bite.
You look really cute with that chili oil dripping from your lip.
She is, I mean, as far as Mexican cooking goes, she's a home cook. She hasn't had any classical training, but experience is the best training. And you can tell this sister has had plenty of experience in the kitchen. I have the original video linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. Let's remake it. So because I made this video last year during the summer, I had to remake the birrias and tacos and consommé, all of that good stuff, just to have this little clip in here for you. Let's taste it. She served her consommé in a cup. I don't have one of these foam cups with aluminum foil, which is classic. So I have my consommé in here and it smells so good. I have the full recipe up. I have my full recipe of all the alterations and substitutions that I made linked in the description box below as well. Here's my taco. See that? It's like all juicy. Here we go. It is absolutely delicious. Take one more bite for you guys. Really good. There you have it. There's my version of her recipe. Go ahead and click the link in the description box below, and I will see you next time.